Welcome back to another episode with Chef D Way. And today we are doing steak and fries. Not just any fries, but homemade baked fries. And man, do they look good. Look at this. Check out how we did it. Stay tuned. Like, subscribe. Let's get rolling. So we're gonna redo some just baked French fries. I'm gonna cut it up. Use some grapeseed oil. And while we're at it, we're gonna do a tenderloin. Got a choice piece of tenderloin. Stay tuned. This is take 2 on the French fries. All right, these are the fries. Now they've been, I say these are fries. These are potatoes before they become French fries, baked French fries. But I'm gonna now cut them. Bye. What do you say, Ari? Bye. Bye. All right, stay tuned. Don't move. Don't move. Hey, don't move. Told you not to move. Now we're gonna cut these into French fries. Even shapes, same thickness. Check it out. All right, so now we have our fries. Try to make them as close, uniform as possible. These are a lot of my end pieces I put together. Try to make those as uniform as possible as well. I'm gonna put those in 2 different cooking trays, covered in some grapeseed oil. Bake it at 425 for about 25 to 30 minutes based off of the coloring and it being to the doneness. But before I do that, I'm gonna put these in a boiling pot. All right, our potatoes have been boiled. The water has been drained. We have our 2 pans here. We're gonna lace the pans with grapeseed oil, and then we're gonna put some of this grapeseed oil on the fries. And from there, we're gonna try our best to uniformly put these fries on this pan. And I'll tell you now, I boiled them 2 minutes too long. But hey, in my house, we don't waste any food. We're gonna find a way to get all of this in the pan. Let's do it. We're gonna leave those fries in there for about 25 minutes to bake. And now we get to this beautiful cut of tenderloin. It's a choice piece of steak, but that's okay. We got a good deal on it and I ain't complaining. We're gonna season it with 4 ingredients before we pan sear it. The first 2 ingredients is gonna be garlic powder, then kosher salt. And when we finish it, we're gonna add some black pepper and finish with some paprika, baby. Remember, always season both sides of your meat and season the side of your meat as well. Check it out. Oh. Huh? It smells hot? Okay, you gonna pick up your toy so Daddy won't hurt himself? Okay, thank you. This is the moment we all live for, is to hear that sizzle and that car in the background. The hardest thing is going to be not touching it for a lot of people. We're going to let it cook on both sides for about 2.5 minutes. Then we'll flip it. What's wrong, baby? I can't pick you up right now. Okay, hold on. What's that? What's cooking? What is that? Are those fries? Bingo. Huh? Bingo. That's not bingo, it's fries. All right. And here's the flip. Just 2 minutes. Throw some butter in, avocado oil butter. Just the basic some. Keep the sides crispy down. So I'm trying to heat down a little bit. Low, mid-low. And work on the sides. Fries update, they look really good. I'm gonna pull them on out. Those are gonna be amazing. The bottom right, top right is gonna be pretty good too. Got nice golden brown. I'm gonna pull them out, put them in here, get some of that grease off. And then I'm gonna use my seasoning, so I'll show you. Get it on there while it's hot. Some of the seasons we're using, and pepper. All right, here we go. Seasoned, shaken. Gonna be put in the pan. I'm gonna test one though while I'm waiting to see how crunchy it is. Focus. Nice and crunchy. Oh my gosh, tastes really, really good. Yummy. How does the fries taste, Ari? You like it? Is it good? Can I have some?
No.
Can I have some?
No.
Why not? Huh? Daddy, huh? Can I have some?
No.
All right. I guess she likes it. I'm still one. All right, let's try the fries. Now, that for me a little bit longer than I wanted to. I could have flipped it, but this is okay. Pretty crispy on this side, and nice, soft on this side. Actually, it's pretty crispy on this side as well, not as much as the back side. She still wants more, so I'll be quick.
I hear the crunch.
You hear the crunch? Very crunchy, very, very good. Almost better than deep fried French fries, actually. This one here, we're looking for probably a little bit more than medium rare. Closer on the medium rare side. And we always got, as always, we gotta have our veggies, so we got our zucchini noodles, my go-to. Perfect or perfect. Nice crust, nice crispy crust on there. I gotta taste it though. You know, you can't just look at it, you always gotta taste it. And this is on sale too, so this is like a choice piece of meat. I'm coming, baby girl. I know you want some more fries.
I hear you, mommy.
Seasoned perfectly. Maybe a little bit too much garlic powder. Very good though. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. Please, if you haven't yet, like and subscribe. If you hadn't seen any of the previous videos, you should see some up here on the top right or the top left. Leave a comment down below on what you want to see next. Want some more? Okay. Leave a comment down below on what you want to see done next as well. Thank you. This is Chef D Way, and we out.